If you are having issues printing a certain color, you're not able to print at all, or you have a general print quality issue, stay tuned because today we're going to be going into a solution. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with Best Printers at bestprinterstech.com. Today we got the Canon G4120. Basically, like I said in the intro, if you're having issues printing a certain color or you can't print at all, or an overall and general print quality issue, I'm going to be giving you some instructions today on how to fix that problem inexpensively and on your own. Now this is of course after you've tried the printhead cleaning that's through the system. You're not able to print still even after running that cleaning, then you're going to have to take another step, and that is to buy the Best Printers cleaning kit. This kit comes with a 20 milliliter syringe along with some cleaning solution. I'm going to show you how to use this kit so that you can get back to printing normally again. Now if you have any questions throughout the duration of this video, please make sure to comment below. Also make sure to watch from the beginning all the way until the end of the video. There are instructions in the package. However, you're going to want to use this video along with the instructions in here so that you can so that you're able to do exactly what you need to do. Every printer is a little bit different, and so you're going to want to follow the instructions to the T. There will also be links in the description below. Of course, the first one will be for the cleaning kit. You can pause, go down there and get it anytime during the video, but there will be some other links and other resources for you in the description below. So just wanted you to be aware of that as well. If this ends up being helpful to you, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. That would be greatly appreciated. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the repair. Okay, so these are all the things you are going to need to start off with this repair slash cleaning. Of course, the Best Printers cleaning kit will come with just the cleaning solution you see there and the syringe. Aside from the cleaning kit, you're also going to need some plastic gloves along with a towel just to clean things up, and you're going to want to have a plastic container, the one you see there in the right hand corner, something that's deep enough to where you can put in some liquid and it won't spill out. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do with the printer is you're going to need a nozzle check. This is basically a report that you're going to print out. This report is going to help you determine what colors or what printhead needs to be cleaned. So you're going to want to print that out, put that on the side, and next you're going to lift the top of the printer. You're going to wait for the printhead to come right to the middle. If it doesn't come to the middle, it should be unlocked, and once it's unlocked you should be able to move it and move it manually to the middle, which is what I had to do right here. Okay, once you get that to the middle, you can then unplug the printer, and you're going to then unlatch the front of the print head there, and you've got two different, I'm going to call them print heads slash cartridges. The first one is color, the next one is black. You're going to want to remove both of them, and I'm going to show you here how to determine which one you're going to choose to clean. Now you can clean both of these if you have a general print quality issue. But if you have a certain color that you know about through the report, or just you had that knowledge prior, you're going to want to stick to the cartridge slash printhead that has the issue. It won't hurt, honestly, to do both, but you really want to focus all of your cleaning solution on the problem. So to determine this, as I said, you're going to want to have your syringe handy, because that's what you're going to use next. But you're going to want to have your report. You're going to take a look at your report. Okay, once you have your report handy, you are going to take a look here. Now I marked off which one is black and which ones are color, so there's no confusion. The black is just the black on the top, the large one, and then all the others, cyan, magenta, and yellow, that's going to be on the color printhead, so the one with the C. So if you're having an issue with one of the colors, cyan through yellow, you're going to want to focus on these. So with this one, it doesn't really label which colors, so you're going to have to just clean all three of them. Those two that are on the top are not used for anything. The ones that you see with the holes in them, those are the nozzles. So if you have a color issue with one of the colors, not aside from black, you're gonna have to do this process that I'm doing here now, you're going to grab the end of your syringe, you're going to place it over the nozzle, and I'm going to kind of do this for you a few times so you can get an idea. So you want it to be completely covering the entire nozzle for the syringe to go all the way down, and then you're going to be pushing cleaning solution through that particular nozzle. So this first one you can see on the top is magenta, and honestly at this point I'm kind of showing you which color it is, so you can actually use this as a reference. So now you know your top one is magenta, and your bottom left is, I believe, the next one we're going to figure out. So your first one, the top one, is magenta. So you can really get specific through this video. You don't have to guess by yourself, even though it's not marked off. But yeah, you're pushing about 10 milliliters up to 20 milliliters. If you're having an issue with one specific color, I would say do 40. So do 2 full syringes, and then the other colors you can do maybe 5 or 10 milliliters. Once you're done with one of the colors, you can then move on to the next one. And the next one is going to be, yes, the, looks like I'm going for the bottom right. Now the bottom right is going to be, we will find out in just a second. But as I said, if this is a general print quality issue, you're going to want to do all the colors. But if not, you're going to want to pick and choose. So this next one is yellow. So bottom right on that cartridge, if you're following this, you can put the cartridge kind of in front of you or have this video handy, and you can look at it. Bottom right, when you have it facing up, with the C facing, the right way with the one nozzle on the top, when you have it in that position, the bottom right is yellow and the bottom left is cyan. The top one is magenta. So I'm doing this as if there's a general print quality issue. I'm cleaning all of them, but I'm kind of showing you, all 3 of these, you're able to clean them all if that's what you're needing to do. So as I said, you're going to want to really just locate the one that's giving you the most issues and go for that one the most. But it won't hurt you to clean the rest of them. Okay, and the same thing with black. If you're having an issue with black, you're going to just focus. This one just has one nozzle in the middle. It's very easy to find. So that one, if it's black, it's just the one nozzle. There's no more than one. So that's going to be easy. Same process. You put the syringe tip over the nozzle, and you would push your cleaning solution right through there. I won't do it here just for the sake of time. You kind of saw the process. Same exact process with the color. At this point, you're going to want to return these cartridges / print heads. So to return them, you should already have your printer kind of opened up and ready for it to be returned. You're still powered off at this point. So you're gonna kind of, when you first install these cartridges, you're gonna push down that latch and then push down those 2 buttons to kind of secure them. Then you're gonna want to power the printer back on. And at this point, you're getting close to the very end of what you need to do here to fully come back to being able to print again normally, or your print quality coming back to normal. I will say that if you're running your ink too low or even slightly too low, that's usually what causes this problem because of the mechanism that's in this printer. And with any printer, the main problem is ink gets clogged up because it's getting dried up because of running low ink. So what I'm pointing at here, this is the deep cleaning and maintenance, and then there's another one that's ink flush. Now I bring these up because this is a vital part of this process. Is you're going to need to run both of these after you run the this cleaning kit through the print heads, because this is going to bring the ink back into the print heads. You're flushing the ink out, and at that point you're needing to get the ink to run back into the print heads. That's the only reason for that. That's not cleaning. That's just for the ink coming back to the print head. That's the only purpose for that. Okay, so if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I hope that this was helpful. Again, link in the description below for the best printers cleaning kit. Get yours today. Get yours as soon as possible, and it'll get to you within a few days. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time. Okay, just really quick, if this ends up not working out for you for whatever reason, I am going to leave the printer of the month down in the description below as well. It's the Epson EcoTank 2760.